Yes, good morning students. Today we shall study about chapter 1, that is nature and significance of the management. In this entire chapter we need to study meaning, nature and significance of the management. Initially we shall study about introduction of the chapter. What is management, then why it is required. Basically, the word management is derived from the word manage. Managing something. The something may be related to the problems or situation. So, in day to day life, we need to manage the problems or certain important situations in the life. So, let me take an example. We may face many of the problems in a life. So, like problems in life. So, problems may be related to the money, problems may be related to the health, problems may be related to education of a children. These are the certain important problems we meet in a life. So this money problem should be properly managed. By working more and more, again health problems should be properly managed by improving certain important good healthy habits. Again, education of a children should be properly managed by taking care of a particular child in his difficulties. So these problems in life should be properly managed by applying certain rules as well as certain principles. Altogether, we are managing the problems in life. This managing is considered as a management. Altogether, we call it as a management. So, we have successfully managed problems in life. Similarly, like family also, we are having certain company or certain business organization or business organization. A business organization will be having its own problems. Suppose we are running a business organization or factory like footwear. Suppose we are running footwear business or certain manufacturing industries. So these manufacturing industries will be having their own problems, like the problems may be related to the finance, or the problems may be related to the workers, or the problems may be related to the raw materials, or last one, it may be having the problems related to the machines. So these are some of the important problems which we face in running a footwear business or running manufacturing industries. The finance first, these finance problems should be properly managed. It means when we are not having sufficient finance in the business organization, it may be turned into loss making company or loss making industries. So these problems of the finance should be properly managed by getting more and more loans. Again, the workers, inefficient workers, this problem may be related to the workers. These workers, inefficient workers, should be properly trained in order to work in an efficient manner. Then next comes to the raw materials. Again, the problems of raw materials should be properly managed. It means we need to purchase good quality raw materials. Then only we can produce some of the important or some of the efficient footwear, or we need to manufacture important items. Then again, the problems may be related to the machines. Then again, these machines should be properly managed. Altogether, we are managing the problems of the finance, problems of the workers, then problems of the raw materials, then problems of the machineries. Altogether, we will be termed as a, we consider this management, we consider managing such problems as a management. So in the introduction part, we have learnt what exactly the management is and why it is required. Management means managing the problems in life. This is day-to-day examples, and when it comes to the company or business organization, we may face many of the problems like finance, workers, raw materials and machines. This should be properly managed. Altogether, managing such problems is considered as a management. Then next, why it is required. Actually, the management is required in order to improve the efficiency of the business organization. Without any proper management, it is very difficult for the business organization to run its business activities. So in day to day life, it is very essential that the thing should be properly managed, whether it may be in a life or whether it may be in a company. The management is required. So management, this is introduction part of the chapter. In the next session, we are going to learn about meaning of management and certain important characteristics of management. In the next session, we are going to deal meaning of management and characteristics of management. Thank you.